From now until the end of the semester, you're going to need to use Photoshop. Fortunately, Photoshop month to month is not too expensive and you don't have a textbook for this class. So now is the time to think about getting Photoshop. I've Googled for it and now I'm going to go to the official site, which will look outdated in probably 2 minutes after this video is made. Somewhere on the page when you go to see Photoshop and Adobe, you're going to go to the Buy Now. There's also a free trial, so I suggest if you don't already have Photoshop installed, go for the free trial and then you can buy it when the trial expires. At this point in the semester, you really are going to need only 2 months of Photoshop, so this should not put a huge dent in your budget. And you may have it already if you have if you've gotten a subscription to the Adobe Creative Suite for some of your other classes in this department. If I go to the Buy Now, let's see, there's a, I'm going to say no thanks to the stock image. Let's see if I can get to the actual Buy Now page. Okay. So you'll get a bunch of different pricing options. So currently, at the time of this video, there's some different options for you. The cheaper options mean that you have to buy a year, typically. So this will, you can get this photography bundle for $10 a month, but that would be for 12 months, so like $120. There's a schools and universities, but that discount is only for the packages. So if you are only going to buy a single app, Photoshop, and you don't want, and you just want it for this course, you're going to do the monthly plan, which is going to bump the price up a bit, but then you only have to pay for it for a couple of months. Again, don't even worry about the pricing plans until your trial version runs out. If you are interested in getting a subscription to the whole suite, oops, this is not what I meant, students and teachers, then you might look at the Adobe Creative Suite, which is $20 a month for all of the software that you could want for this department, but this also locks you into a year of Adobe. So take a look. Meanwhile, if you don't have Photoshop installed, now is a good time to download and install Photoshop. And in the next video, we will have a quick Photoshop tour.